Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 5x minus 1 in square root minus x plus 2 in square root equal to 1. We are moving this right hand side. So 5x minus 1 equal to 1. We are moving this right hand side, so it is plus square root of x plus 2. Now take a square on both sides, so 5x minus 1 square root whole square equal to 1 plus x plus 2 in square root whole square. Now we are going to apply this a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, this formula here. Also here this square and square root will be cancelled. Now 5x minus 1 equal to 1 square plus square root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 times 1 times b value is square root of x plus 2. Now 5x minus 1 equal to 1 square 1 plus this square and square root will cancel each other. So we have x plus 2 here plus 2 square root of x plus 2. Now 5x minus 1 equal to, so 1 plus 2 is 3 plus x plus 2 square root of x plus 2. Now we are moving this left hand side, so we'll get 5x, this is minus x, here minus 1, this comes left hand side, so it is minus 3 equal to 2 square root of x plus 2. Now this is 4x, here minus 4 equal to 2 square root of x plus 2. Now we are going to take 2 common from this, so 2 open bracket 2x minus 2 close bracket equal to 2 square root of x plus 2. Now divide by 2 on both sides. Now 2x minus 2 equal to 2 square root of x plus 2 by 2, here 2. So this 2 cancels this 2 cancels this. 2x minus 2 equal to square root of x plus 2. Now 2x minus 2 equal to square root of x plus 2. Now take a square on both sides. 2x minus 2 whole square equal to square root of x plus 2 whole square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2x whole square minus this is 2 times of 2x 2 plus 2 square equal to x plus 2. Now this is 4x square. Here it is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8x. This is plus 4 equal to x plus 2. Now 4x square, this minus 8x, we are moving this left hand side, so x minus x plus 4, this is minus 2 equal to 0. Now 4x square, this is minus 9x, here it is plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this quadratic equation. So here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 9, c equal to 2. So x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 whole square minus 4 times of 2 by 2 times of 4. So x equal to minus into minus is plus 9 plus or minus square root of, this is 81 minus 32 by, here it is 8. So 9 plus or minus, this is square root of 49 by 8. Now 9 plus or minus, this is square root of 49 is 7 by 8. So we have 9 plus 7 by 8, comma 9 minus 7 by 8. So 16 by 8, comma 2 by 8. Here minimize this 2, so 2 here, this side simplify here 1 by 4, so 1 by 4. So x equal to 2, comma x equal to 1 by 4. This is the possible answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.